The Suttner ST-73 foaming lance allows quick and easy application of a single product. There's no need to mix or dilute chemicals, just pour neat soap into the bottle and adjust the setting to suit your cleaning requirements. Increasing the setting on the foamer increases the concentration of the soap output. Setting 1 produces a dilution of around 2% and is suitable for general cleaning with Chiefs highly concentrated products. Setting 5 is useful for degreasing with Chiefs Extreme Wash or Chiefs Full Force Degreaser. The foamer is available with either a 1 or 2 litre bottle. The ST-73 comes in 4 colour-coded variations which must be selected according to the specification of your pressure washer. The coloured nipple serves only as an indicator of the injection nozzle sizing within the foamer. It is the nozzle which must be matched to the pressure washer. An ST-73 sizing chart can be found on the Chiefs website to assist with the selection of the nozzle size appropriate for your pressure washer. There are 2 foaming mechanisms available. The stainless steel foaming pad in the ST-73.1 is a disposable item and can be replaced over time, while the mesh foaming system in the ST-73.2 is best used with poor quality water and can be rinsed of contaminants.